Hi, Keith with Blaze, and today we're introducing our new LTE Pro 40-inch griddle. Comes with a reinforced stainless steel cooking surface, roll lid, best-in-class performance, heavy-duty construction, and restaurant-quality cooking for you and your backyard. The cooking surface is an 8mm thick 304 stainless steel plate. Weighing in at almost 200 pounds, this makes our griddle the heaviest in its class. Our griddle features a digital screen for a temperature readout, monitoring not only the surface temperatures of your griddle, but also the internal temperatures of your meat. It features 3 probes that measure the internal temperature of your proteins. Our griddle features a built-in leveling system, which features 2 screws in the back so you can adjust the pitch of your griddle surface for perfect level cooking. Has a built-in grease trough that's removable for easy cleaning. Also features a spring-assisted lid with a rotating grip handle. It also features LED backlit knobs with temperature indicators that glow red when gas is flowing. Also features temperature indicators on the knobs for high, medium, and low settings. Made with heavy-duty stainless steel, our griddle offers a best-in-class lifetime warranty, ensuring years of use. The Blaze LTE Pro 40-inch griddles are designed for those who demand exceptional heat control, durability, and ease of use. With powerful BTU output, heavy-duty construction, advanced grease management, and premium features, this griddle sets a new standard in high-end outdoor cooking with restaurant-quality performance.